Let's go full detail. Textbook plus clinical level. The kind you'd use for pharmacology exams, nursing medical reviews, or drug monographs. I'll expand every section, keep it structured, and add clinical pearls where helpful. BISOPROLOL, AMLODIPINE, detailed drug profile. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms, generic names, bisoprolol fumarate, amlodipine besylate. Drug classification, bisoprolol, cardioselective betamine-adrenergic receptor blocker, second-generation beta blocker, amlodipine, dihydropyridine calcium channel blocker, CCB, combination class, antihypertensive agent, anti-anginal agent. Brand names vary by country. Concor AM, Bisotens AM, amlodipine plus bisoprolol, generic fixed dose. Drug forms, oral tablets, fixed dose combination, common strengths, 2.5 milligrams bisoprolol, 5 milligrams amlodipine, 5 milligrams, 5 milligrams, 5 milligrams, 10 milligrams, 10 milligrams, 5 milligrams. 2. Definition. Bisoprolol amlodipine is a fixed-dose combination antihypertensive medication that lowers blood pressure and myocardial oxygen demand by reducing heart rate and contractility, bisoprolol, while simultaneously decreasing peripheral vascular resistance, amlodipine. 3. Mechanism of action. Bisoprolol selectively blocks B1 adrenergic receptors in the heart. Affects heart rate negative chronotropy, myocardial contractility negative inotropy, cardiac output, renin secretion from kidneys, minimal beta-2 activity, less bronchoconstriction, but not zero risk. Amlodipine inhibits L-type calcium channels in vascular smooth muscle, prevents calcium influx, smooth muscle relaxation, causes arteriolar vasodilation, reduces peripheral vascular resistance, afterload, little effect on cardiac conduction. Combined effect, strong BP reduction, reduced reflex tachycardia, improved coronary perfusion, better tolerability versus higher dose monotherapy. 4. Pharmacokinetics. Bisoprolol parameter details. Absorption, well absorbed orally. Bioavailability 90%. Onset 1 to 2 hours. Peak plasma 2 to 4 hours. Protein binding 30%. Metabolism hepatic. Half-life 10 to 12 hours. Excretion 50% renal, 50% hepatic, duration 24 hours. Amlodipine, parameter details. Absorption slow, complete, bioavailability 60 to 80%, peak plasma 6 to 12 hours, protein binding 97%, metabolism, liver CYP3A4, half-life 30 to 50 hours, excretion, urine, inactive metabolites, duration 24 hours. 5. Uses. Management of essential hypertension, long-term blood pressure control, prevention of stroke, myocardial infarction, heart failure progression, reduction of angina frequency, selected patients. 6. Indications. Patients with hypertension requiring heart rate control, vascular dilation, hypertension uncontrolled by single drug, hypertensive patients with ischemic heart disease, stable angina, off-label in some regions. 7. Contraindications. Absolute contraindications, hypersensitivity to either drug, severe bradycardia 50 BPM, cardiogenic shock, second or third degree AV block without pacemaker, severe hypotension, acute decayed heart failure, Hasher, relative contraindications, bronchial asthma, severe peripheral arterial disease, severe hepatic impairment, untreated pheochromocytoma. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use with caution in diabetes mellitus, masks hypoglycemia, COPD or asthma, bronchospasm risk, renal impairment, liver disease, elderly patients, heart failure, stable only, pregnancy, category C, breastfeeding, use only if necessary. 9. How to use, oral administration. Once daily dosing, take at the same time each day, can be taken with or without food, swallow whole, do not crush. 10. Dosing information. Adults, initial dose based on prior therapy, typical maintenance, bisoprolol, 2.5 to 10 milligrams per day, amlodipine, 5 to 10 milligrams per day. Special populations, elderly, start low, hepatic impairment, lower amlodipine dose, renal impairment, usually no adjustment, monitor. 11. Missed dose, overdose, mistake as soon as remembered, skip if close to next dose, never double dose. Overdose symptoms, severe hypotension, bradycardia, shock, altered consciousness, management, immediate emergency care, IV fluids, atropine, vasopressors, calcium gluconate, amlodipine overdose. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop abruptly. Gradual taper required, especially bisoprolol. Avoid alcohol. Avoid grapefruit juice. Avoid sudden strenuous activity after stopping 13. Side effects: common, fatigue, dizziness, headache, ankle edema, bradycardia. Less common: cold extremities, constipation, nausea, sleep disturbance, sexual dysfunction. Serious: heart block, severe hypotension, worsening heart failure, bronchospasm, anaphylaxis rare. Number 14, vital information, monitoring parameters. Blood pressure, heart rate, ECG if needed, signs of fluid retention, liver function tests, blood glucose, diabetics. 15, other drugs will affect this. Increase effect, other antihypertensives, CYP3, 3A4 inhibitors, erythromycin, ketoconazole. Decrease effect, NSAIDs, rifampicin. Dangerous combinations, verapamil, diltiazem, digoxin, antiarrhythmics. 16. Drug comparison, combination, advantage, disadvantage, bisoprolol plus amlodipine, balanced BP and HR control, bradycardia, edema, ACC-CCB, renal protection, cough, ARB-CCB, well tolerated, cost, beta blockers, diuretic, effective, metabolic effects. Number 17, patient teaching, bisoprolol amlodipine. Number 1, purpose of the medicine. This medicine is used to lower blood pressure. It helps the heart beat slower and with less effort. It relaxes blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. Taking it regularly helps prevent stroke, heart attack, and kidney damage. 2. How to take the medicine. Take once daily at the same time every day. May be taken with or without food. Swallow the tablet whole with water. Do not crush or chew the tablet unless instructed. Continue taking it even if you feel well. High blood pressure often has no symptoms. 3. Do not stop suddenly. Never stop the medicine abruptly. Stopping suddenly can cause severe rise in blood pressure, chest pain, irregular heartbeat. If stopping is needed, the doctor will reduce the dose gradually. 4. What to do if you miss a dose. Take it as soon as you remember. If it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose. Do not double the dose. 5. Monitoring at home. Check your blood pressure regularly. Check your pulse rate. Report if heart rate is below 50 beats minute or unusually slow. Keep a record of readings for doctor visits. 6. Possible side effects. What to expect. Common, usually mild, dizziness or lightheadedness, fatigue or weakness, headache, swelling of ankles or feet, slow heartbeat. What to do. Rise slowly from sitting or lying positions. Elevate legs if ankle swelling occurs. Rest if you feel tired. 7. When to seek medical help. Immediately. Call your doctor or go to the hospital if you have very slow heartbeat, severe dizziness or fainting, shortness of breath, chest pain, severe swelling of legs or face, wheezing or difficulty breathing, allergic reaction, rash, itching, swelling of lips or face. Number 8. Special warnings. Diabetics. This medicine may hide signs of low blood sugar, fast heartbeat. Asthma, COPD patients. Report any breathing difficulty. Elderly. Increased risk of dizziness and falls. Inform your doctor if you are pregnant, planning pregnancy, or breastfeeding. 9. Food, drink, and lifestyle advice. Avoid or limit alcohol may cause severe dizziness. Avoid grapefruit or grapefruit juice. Reduce salt intake. Stop smoking. Maintain a healthy weight. Exercise regularly as advised by your healthcare provider. 10. Drug interactions. What to tell your doctor. Tell your doctor if you are taking other blood pressure medicines, heart medicines, digoxin, verapamil, diltiazem, painkillers, NSAIDs like ibuprofen, herbal products, or supplements. Number 11. Safety tips. Do not drive or operate machinery until you know how the medicine affects you. Stand up slowly to prevent falls. Keep medication out of reach of children. Store at room temperature, away from heat and moisture. Number 12. Importance of follow-up. Keep all follow-up appointments. Blood tests and heart monitoring may be needed. Dose may be adjusted based on response. Number 13. Key reminders for patients. Take exactly as prescribed. Do not stop suddenly. Monitor blood pressure and pulse. Report unusual symptoms. Maintain healthy lifestyle.